take it out of its package here. You've got your indicator window. When it gets fully saturated, the beads in here will turn green. At that time, there's a little plug in the back. Pop it out, plug it into a well-ventilated area. It allows itself to dry back out. It takes about 12 hours. So you get home from work 7 p.m., 7 in the morning, it's ready to go again. It's got a 10-year lifespan, so it's renewable as many times as you need it to be. We've got larger sizes available and disposable pouches as well. So my name's Alexandria, and you can check out all of our products on Eva-Dry.com.
Flagship model that we always do with us. I'm a former Navy SEAL. Hey guys.
Show you what it is.